Filler. Abuja for makwa by back in which post ever YouTube. Where you filler. We are still in the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kumatma Apembeba. Now where they are very quick. Kotoko are to sign a Ugandan top striker. Kotoko are to sign a Ugandan top striker. Your friend Charles Lwanga. Yes, a top striker who plays at Ugandan Premier League. Yes. Player making at your friend Charles Lwanga na the agent and the management are offering to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Say a year next season will be me ABC akan Ediama a year crop here Asante Kotoko. As Kotoko is in search of new players, strikers, defenders, and every aspect of the team. And the manager Charles Lwanga, the management are offering to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So next season. Ubetumi ebesi akan ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebusa for dem some dey feel na ebrem na mo subscribe na mo share na mo like na mo dem comment na ba na dem so reply na che say interaction no akoso pa. Nti Kotoko to sign an Ugandan top striker Charles Lwanga. Na ebusuafo we dey Richardo Suarez Pepe no break his feel away. Munya ne babia this Richardo Suarez Pepe. Momre ankotie Richardo Suarez Pepe abra na oma insight or player no profile. According to Richardo Suarez player no profile so sweetie Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Momre ankotie Richardo Suarez Pepe emre sisia besa.
A branch of 26 years Uganda. 3 seasons ago, he was linked to 3 Ghanaian clubs. In fact, season now, Kotoko Ekofa, Stephen Mukwala no.
Yes.
A branch winner or ahead of Mukwala in terms of Kotoko search. No?
Wow.
Kotoko settled on Mukwala because Kotoko ended Mukwala on a free transfer. Some catch us out is a Ghanaian club be Akofa player free outside a bar. Fashion team say a free. Say you could top player, you had 100,000, 200,000, 50,000. You could top player there. Your clubs didn't need some more. And Stephen Mukwala buy ahead of this particular player.
Okay.
Now, a player, and can you know see academy KCC. Kampala Capital City Football Club. Kampala Capital City. Kampala has a one. Ochaya. Unim Joseph Ochaya. Ochaya Ebadota Keke Zaponta. Yeah, Joseph Ochaya.
Yes.
Ochaya so bolo. Na se Uganda from Kodana who say, "What do you chire mo Ghana ha?" Na especially Obo Kotoko. U profile back home no wasoro pa.
Yes, national team call up them more.
Because the rate no mu is a value Kotoko. Kotoko themselves didn't value themselves to that level. Eastern Europe them Japan omu e rate Kotoko pa o. Omu rate Kotoko pa. Abushaya ka say abranche ni din at the Charles Lwanga. Charles Lwanga. He was born on the 2nd of February, the year 2000.
Okay.
Or a typical center forward. Typical center forward. Number 9, prima punta.
Yeah.
Or a goal poacher. You shall not goals consistently and for a goal machine. To a goal machine. And look, being a branch of the thing at the Charles Lwanga of Japan. Charles Lwanga, or a national team player.
Wow.
And the cranes of Uganda.
And
our Chan team, no, on the number 1 striker.
Nice.
In fact, the last Chan tournament, unza the country final. Uganda for a final of the last Chan tournament. And no number one striker, I have branched the Charles Lwanga.
Fantastic.
A branch and some catchers say DJ China Chron no for FIFA registered agents. No, Mr. Much from it.
Yeah.
Is my chance? Ya me
Nice one.
Now, many agencies a ding come pa. Many of them ding come. And me busa about a branch of the thing at the Charles Lwanga. Say, me call Omuli go check players are. Omu free. Na busa pensa adwuma nsa na no.
Sure.
Enti to say yes ya ebeba wie nyame adoma. After FA Cup no. Agents of Africa no mo check profile of players about ha no.
Yeah.
No much more especially you go kin ni ma. No akọ hebi orchestra no kra. Since be wie o free. E bia we ti say no much as 18 komo.
Yeah.
A branch de Charles Lwanga. Japan may catch now on authority say he's been offered to Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a free transfer.
Wow.
Charles Lwanga.
Fantastic.
Now Charles on ni club no. Anya a little bit of misunderstanding.
Oh.
On person extend the contract. No so I just say on extend it.
Oba Kotoko.
And on decided say say dey on the better nche.
Oh.
Enti Japan this season was 5 goals.
Okay.
But we bought 9 games. 5 ring now so a sub. You deliver a sub no ashe. And almost supporters the pressure to coach say sebi ze munu be na yi. A branch order the tranchana never no abeshe. Still a player. Even though on person be sign but fanabody no so so.
Yes.
Empen was there be. On man bonus say ne value no ekosoro. No so ra ko free a. Enyo mo platform no be no. Ama Charles Lwanga. Asore e dia ko free. Am Japan.
Yes sir.
Enra. Game a ekoso. Na Neck FC ene ne side Villa for no. A branch de Charles Lwanga. Supporters ni ye dede good coaches so on starting no. On starting na on the 10th minute and on to atleti ka game.
Fantastic.
And you be stadium mo.
Wow.
The supporters omo ya na de bam na se fa na omo ni agye no mo ye dede o.
Sure.
Ni agency no a fa no say omo de ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
Asem ma chirechirem se Japan fi na be chirechirem bi de ntia aya na agency ne person mo the players no e ma Kotoko no. They feel that the Kotoko platform is huge. Sure. And say the player no e ba Kotoko e bi anasika asem no. Ordinarily or a player omo e be pay between $5,000 and $8,000 a month. Omo ni ze kuro mo nya.
Yeah.
E tu de fa no Kotoko. Some man 1,000 or 2,000 de minim. But they believe that Obaba Wakiama either say Kotoko be turn nya sika. And I say be do ni 2 years na there. Na branch no wa establish ya bigger contract abeba ediamano. The name is Charles Lwanga. Now abuzia
Yes sir.
me no ka say 3 Ghanaian clubs aside Kotoko. Kotoko are the preferred destination of the agency. Agency di omunya omo the Charles Lwanga abeba Kotoko. But other clubs in Ghana, and I can tell you sir about 3 clubs in Ghana. I show interest. How many agencies a ding come say omo di ombenya wonum emfa a branch and emra.
Wow.
Omo so omo de omo ready. And club na Japan ba ko na e ba beji league.
Mediama.
Ba ko ba beji league.
Mediama.
Mienu ewo say atiche chima nkare na nke bono. In fact football in chain.
Football there see that so.
Eti mienu obono region. Omoni abre.
Adiana beka.
Afi club on the strikers na money goals. Now they believe that a goals na consistently. Womanya player ba kwa na mfa man. Enunti last season Charles Lwanga ebo 11 goals. This season mostly used from the bench. The first 4 goals ni no free bench na never. And now Sheba can wear 5 goals.
Wow. Yes sir.
Charles Lwanga is being offered to Ghanaian clubs on a free transfer.
Fantastic.
On a free transfer. enti sɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko interested a ɛsɛ kura Kotoko no ɛbɛyere o sɛ management bi ani o
dabi o
ana penkra mo to a ɛnyɛ ye ɛna board no si nya appoint obiara so you don't clearly know who will be
in charge.
Yes, who will be in charge. We na ekusi the so, but with my catch say anytime Kotoko interested no. In fact, agency na opeso dey branch in Kotoko no. Kotoko for any no. We are sure say incoming penny for nkwa bi ni no. Kotoko company for wa contact bia no. Ubetimi enya Charles Lwanga na odnaba bi wura mu. Kumasi Asante or other Ghanaian clubs have shown interest. Almost everything. Ako di hunkomo. I'm just praise a
Richard Pepe is already the fella man.